It's literally coming apart in my hands. Now maybe she wants to go into gear. How do you like this for a test drive? Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. When I start talking, the duck starts quacking, Lola starts taking her crazy laps around the yard. Anyway, we're back with another video on my Volvo 850 from 1997, Turbo Edition, thank you very much, that really wants to come back to life. Thank you so much for everybody who has been watching the series on this car. You know she's come a long, long way from who knows where she was living for almost 20 years with all kinds of squirrels and rats and who knows what eating the wires. We got her started in one video, then we got her to move in another video. The plan for this one right here is to take her past the gate into my backyard and out there on the road. So we're going to perform some basic maintenance, oil change. I want to see how bad the oil looks coming out of the engine. We're going to put some fresh coolant in her. We have spark plugs, air filter. Who knows what else is going to happen, because I cannot wait to get this old girl back on the streets of Tulsa. All right, you guys don't get to go with me on this, but I will bring up a tray full of oil in my clean container. We're going to take the oil filter as well. And I think I need a 13, just like this. Okay, so I'm a little off. It's a 17. Ah! Okay, I got stuff falling everywhere. Where's my tray? Let's see what it looks like. So here's what the oil looks like. And it's not, I mean, it's black, but it's not that bad. Time for the antifreeze. I'm gonna show you what it looks like as well. Hopefully it goes as well as the oil did. Time for some spark plugs. Yeah, we're gonna, since we have such easy access, okay, we're gonna let the oil drain completely out. The coolant comes all the way out. Spark plugs, 2, 3, did I number these or did somebody else? 4, and then 5's right there. So let's just hope that they're all gonna cooperate. There we go. Yes. Oh, okay, there it is. Spark plug number 1. Let's look at it. Well, I would say that it's very black. Oh, look at that. And it is a Super Plus. Bosch Super Plus. Wow. Okay. Well, that's spark plug 1. 2. There you go. Yeah, equally as dark. 3. A little better than 1 and 2. But not by much. Ooh. Perhaps the darkest. Yeah, okay. And once again, Bosch Super Plus. Okay, so we'll get the others put in. Of course, I still have to do number 5. I'm guessing it's gonna look like 1 through 4. But we'll get the new ones in, and I'll show you what the old ones look like. All 5 have been replaced. This is number 5. Okay, and they all look very, very similar. We've got them gapped 0.28. The new ones look fabulous. Everything is fine. So now we return to the oil and the antifreeze and the air filter. So let's put some stuff in instead of taking stuff out. The coolant has been removed. What is changing colors here is oil that was previously in the little pan, but it's green, it's not brown or anything like that. So this is a win. Okay, this is a huge win. We will dispose of this properly. We have 7.4 quarts of coolant, and I think it's 5.6 quarts of oil. We're just gonna mix and match. And don't hate me because I'm using the green stuff. It's always worked. Where's my leak? Where's my leak? Well, everything just got put on hold. Yep, I tell you. Wouldn't be a Monkey Wrench Mike video without a delay. We have a crack right here. I mean, it's literally right there. I can try to patch it. It's not going to last forever. I'll patch it for tonight, but I have to order another part, which means we can't do the driving yet. So, yay me. So much fun. And I got coolant everywhere. Okay, well, let's order a part, see if we can epoxy this. It's not going to last, but yeah. Well, we're back, and we have kind of mended our reservoir. Okay, so I have all kinds of stuff on here. Hopefully, it's not going to last that long, I know, but I get a new one in 3 days, 2 or 3 days, and I got to get the video out the door so you guys can watch this. So we have temporarily fixed this. We have the coolant right here. We're going to put everything back together, put in the filter, and then we're going to take her for a drive. Out with the old, in with the beautiful. Ha ha ha, gorgeous. Let's see if she's going to start, and then we'll see if she's going to drive. She's alive and the seats move, which is fantastic. I do have the ABS light, service light, reverse. We're moving. All right, here's what she looks like. I don't know why those are on. Do I have my lights on? I don't know. And I'm sorry the windshield is such a mess, but the car was attacked by birds. Okay. Let's just see how she does. Ooh, those brakes. Yeah, those brakes are a mess. Oh. What was that? Okay. So good so far. I hope it's gonna be okay. Yeah. Now the brakes will eventually get quiet. Have I even checked the brakes for brake pads? I don't know. This is huge though. This car has come so far. First time on the road, in a long, well, this says 2015 was the oil change at 126.6. It was due. So I got 3 more miles. I have 3,000 more miles before my oil change, which was, wow, 9 years ago. No, we just changed the oil, so that's fine. Let's just kind of see what's going to happen. We're just going very, very cautiously, giving the suspension a nice little test right here. There's a lot of loose junk in the back. I think that's what I'm hearing, all the rattling and stuff. I have tools back there. These shocks haven't moved up and down in, oh gosh, 9 years. Let's do the little turbo test. Oh! Okay. Well, Look at that. She's got a little get up and go in her. Well, we ran into a bit of a snafu. Yeah, I came over here because I was going to get my 360 camera out and give you guys some great driving footage. And I put the car in park, and then it wouldn't go into reverse. It wouldn't go into drive, and it rolled back about 3 feet. So I thought, well, maybe I need some transmission fluid, which I did. So I've added transmission fluid, and then my shifter right down here, I think it wasn't actually shifting. And so while the car was parked here, I reached down there and I flipped it into reverse, and the car started to roll. Look what is behind it. That's a huge road with a curve, which if I'm aiming the car, let's say it just went straight, what house would I hit? The blue one. Or the tree or the mailbox. I'd probably bounce off the mailbox and then go to the left and then continue going down the road. Fortunately, I was able to hold it and put it back into park, which was terrifying. That was the dumbest thing I've ever done. So what I have now are wheel blocks. So let's see if she's going to go into drive now. And then we can get some more driving footage. But that was scary. We found the key. Let's just see what's going to happen. This thing is literally falling apart. Okay, I felt the car go into gear that time. It's literally coming apart in my hands. Look at this. So I need a new shifter. That's gross. Let's just see what's going to happen. Please go forward. Okay, so we now have forward. Let's just kind of see. If I do this, let me get my wheel chucks out of the way. Oh my gosh, that was so scary. It wouldn't be a Monkey Wrench Mike video if there wasn't the risk of death and terror and dismemberment. So now let's see what's going to happen. Now maybe she wants to go into gear. It's running better, I will tell you that. Okay, so now that I have this, if she goes into drive like that, now we can get some driving footage. Drive. Well, we can post home. Is this not doing anything? It's not doing anything. Oh my God. Okay, we're making it. How do you like this for a test drive? This is the best ever. All right, we're getting some speed. Well, we got her off the street. She was parked back there, and I've got her up in my driveway. You can see that right there. That's where the duck usually walks us in. Anyway, I can't take it. My pacemaker can't take it no more. No, I don't have a pacemaker. But I do want to tell you that I need help figure out what's wrong with this car. Okay, so I think it's the gear shift selector. Either the cable under this, which is falling apart, is loose and it's not shifting. There's that little selector on top of the transmission. It's a little pin, and it kind of, there's a cable going into it and it moves back and forth, you know, park, reverse, neutral, drive. Something's not shifting. So I'm thinking maybe it's not disconnected under here very well, and I can kind of get it and then it falls off and it catches again. I don't know, but if you're a Volvo guy and an 850 Volvo guy, then please let me know. Oh, I'm bleeding. Please let me know what's going on, because I really do want to continue work on the car. But we've determined she runs, she drives when she wants to, and now it wants a code, and I can't remember the code for the radio. Anyway, we do have a radio that works when it wants to. All right, so thank you for watching this little series on the Volvo 850 wagon that came out of a forest. Had lots of damage with the wiring, but it's idling better now. Okay, just let me know what you think the problem is with the tranny. And on that, we'll say see you in the next video. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Once again, if you don't know the name, it's Monkey Wrench Mike.